Properties of seawater. Temperature. Temperature is a major property of the seawater. The surface temperature of the seawater is not uniform everywhere. This is dependent on different factors. Latitudinally speaking, the surface temperature of the seawater decreases from the equatorial areas towards the poles. The average temperature in equatorial areas is around 25 degrees Celsius. It is 16 degrees Celsius in mid-latitudes, while it is about 2 degrees Celsius near the poles. Temperature of seawater. Surface temperature of seawater. It is not uniform everywhere. It changes with latitudes, decreases from equatorial areas towards the poles. Location of different factors influence the sea. Temperature as per the depth of seawater. Decreases with increasing depth. Difference in temperature lesser in polar region. Beyond a certain depth, temperature does not change much. Salinity. We obtain salt from the salt pans. The buoyancy of the seawater increases because of salinity. This is useful for water transport. But if the salinity is more than bearable limits, the life in the water gets destroyed. How is the salinity of the seawater measured? The weight of all dissolved salts in water in ratio of parts per thousand of water is called the salinity of seawater. For example, if the weight of dissolved salts in 1000 grams, that is 1 kg, of seawater is 40 grams, then the salinity is 40%, that is 40 per 1000 parts. Hydrometer, refractometer and salinometer are used to measure salinity. Dead Sea. The name of the sea itself gives an idea of the conditions there. The sea lying on the border of Israel and Jordan has a salinity of 332%. The average salinity of ocean is 35%. Jordan is the only large river meeting this sea. Low rainfall, low supply of fresh water and high evaporation are the reason of high salinity. There is no life here except few unicellular organisms. Because of high salinity, saline pillars have developed. Some of them come out of the surface. The density of water is also high because of higher salinity. Therefore, one can never drown in the sea. We can easily float when we go in the sea water. Another characteristic of the Dead Sea is that the land here is below the mean sea level. It is one of the places having the lowest elevations on the earth. In some areas, the altitude is minus 400 meters. Density. Temperature and salinity are the two properties of seawater that control the density of the seawater. If temperature reduces, density of water increases. Cold water is denser and so is saline water. As compared to salinity, temperature affects density more. Hence, sometimes more saline water has lower temperature at the surface, but still the density of such water is more than other water. On the contrary, seawater having higher temperature and low salinity can have lower density. Some important terms. Landlocked sea. Seas that are totally surrounded by land are called landlocked sea. Salinity. The amount of salt in water is the salinity of the water. Characteristics of seawater. Pacific Ocean is the largest water body on Earth. Temperature variation in heating up and cooling down of land is steep than that of water. Minerals from rocks and soil dissolve in water and get deposited in sea through rivers. This process is on for millions of years. Evaporation took only in water and but salt content remained in oceans. This made seas and oceans salty. Thank you.